Making a delicious beef burger is quite simple and can be done in a few easy steps. Here's a classic beef burger recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef, preferably 80% lean, 20% fat. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 4 burger buns. Cheese slices, optional. Lettuce leaves. Sliced tomatoes. Sliced onions. Pickles, optional. Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, or your favorite burger condiments. Instructions. Preheat the grill or stovetop pan. If using a grill, preheat it to medium-high heat. If using a stovetop pan, heat it over medium-high heat. Mix the beef. In a mixing bowl, gently combine the ground beef, salt, and black pepper. Be careful not to overmix, as it can make the burger tough. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and form them into patties, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick. Make an indentation, optional. To prevent the burgers from puffing up in the center as they cook, you can make a small indentation in the middle of each patty with your thumb. Cook the burgers. Brush the burgers lightly with vegetable oil on both sides to prevent sticking. Place the burgers on the grill or stovetop pan and cook for about 4-5 minutes on each side, or until they reach your desired level of doneness. If adding cheese, place a slice on top of each burger during the last minute of cooking to let it melt. Toast the buns. While the burgers are cooking, lightly toast the burger buns on the grill or in a separate pan until they are slightly browned. Assemble the burgers. Once the burgers are cooked, remove them from the grill or pan and let them rest for a minute. Meanwhile, prepare your burger toppings: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and any condiments you like. Build the burgers. Place a burger patty on the bottom half of each bun. Add your preferred toppings and condiments. You can customize the toppings to your taste. Serve and enjoy. Place the top half of the buns on the burgers, and your delicious beef burgers are ready to be served. Enjoy them with some fries or a side salad. Remember, feel free to get creative with your burger toppings and seasonings to make it uniquely yours. Bon appétit!